Hello everyone, today I will introduce the Li 10 kg Force Thrust Test Bench. It is specially developed for small-range power systems. Overall, length 685 mm, width 536 mm, height 560 mm, net weight 8 kg, range of 5 to 65 volts, current range 0 to 100 amps. Testing range 1 kg to 10 kg. Max propeller 30 inches. Applicable for teaching and training in university laboratories. For UAV power manufacturers. R&D selection for UAV manufacturers. The unit demonstrated here is our standard model. PWM output is used to enable one click to capture all data. The data acquisition card adopts high-performance data processing chips internally, 100 Hz, supported built-in 2.4 grams wireless. Transmission up to 200 meters, remote control more safety. Matched with the MET V6 testing software, supports switch between Chinese and English. It displays collected data in real time. All data can be visualized in graphs and charts. One-click generation of power performance curves is available. Now, let us carry out a simple power test demonstration. The power are T-motors, motor electronic speed controller and blades. And install in place. Power on first. You will hear a prompt tone. We will run the test using the increase mode under auto test. We can observe that the throttle value increases stepwise with a 10% increment. Upon test completion, a test report can be generated. View the original data. With the Li 10 kg Force Power Test Bench, the power system selection becomes more scientific and reliable.